To make these delicious chicken nuggets, we need to add to the food processor 2 chopped onion, 1 whole garlic, 1 teaspoon of a black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon paprika, and we add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons oil, then a pinch of oregano, a little onion powder, and then we blend until you get smooth paste. We will add the chicken cubes to the food processor. We can add a little bit soy sauce to add more flavor, and the chicken nuggets is ready to be shaped. Look at this. It smells so good and it's ready to be shaped. Prepare your egg wash and breadcrumb to the side. Dip the chicken nuggets in the egg wash and then the breadcrumb. You can brush it with a little oil on top, then bake them in the air fryer. And here you go, you got your homemade chicken nuggets, perfectly delicious. Enjoy.